Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. Today I want to show you the best app that its name is Spark. Love your email again. It is an app that makes organize your emails in a professional way. It is the best app, best for the of the App Store. It's good for your accounts, the email accounts that for Outlook, iCloud, Yahoo, and Exchange, Google. And another thing, we have the built-in calendar. Have your inbox at a glance that you can show it in your the main menu of your phone. The elegant dark mode. You have dark mode. Discuss email privately. Delegates email. Create email together. It's 214 MB and iOS and less on Android. Let's open it. Sparks smart inbox. It's a unique way to organize your inbox. Beautiful design. We have put our hearts and souls to make it beautiful and powerful. Another thing, we have the gain email superpowers. Power up your inbox with snooze, send letter, follow-up reminders, email templates, and integration. That is the best thing that you have in this app. Sync all your email accounts, connect and sync all your email accounts with Sparks and Spark for Teams. You can share, comment, and delegate email with your team. Let's start. I'm going to write my email. ilyasberash@gmail.com. I agree. Continue. Hello. It's my account. Hello. Let's come in here that verifying my account. It takes several minutes, but normally takes just a few seconds. Start using Spark, and here, as you see guys, I have all of my emails at Smart Inbox. Sort out your emails, new email or display separately. Next, okay, got it. And here, as you see that we have different kinds of emails that I given. Another thing, I hope you love Sparks. And here guys, we have the fee notice that it's in our university, that I'm in Cardone University. These are all the emails that I have from the Cardone University, from the Google, from the YouTube, that the copyright claim for some of my videos, the Nurpalate Tech Act, Google. Another thing, we have the YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and etc. It's very enjoyable app that we can send, draft, paint, archive, and trash. That we can write emails to the people we want. It's very clear and great app. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and enjoy from this amazing app. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell and comment below which app or which game do you want that I make videos for you guys. Thank you.